Music rocks! Yeah!
Well, hello there. I've got a pick in my mouth. Okay, let me take a pick out of my mouth. Hello, and welcome back to Strum Patterns with Syncopation. There's no reason that needs to have an echo, because that's not really how it works. But anyway, we are going to take some strum patterns and put them into page 11, number 19, Pay Me My Money Down. Pay me my money down! I like the song. I thought I heard the big boss say, do-do. Okay, well anyway. I'm going to show you the strum pattern first, and then we're going to play it together. And then maybe I'll try to sing along. We'll see. Okay. Take a look at this. I'm going to put in this kind of frame here so you can see what's going on with my hands. And with my strum hand, like that. And we're going to do this kind of pattern. I'm going to change it a little bit. Go ahead and find a G chord. You can use the 3-string. This is closer to what's going on with strum pattern 2. It's going to be down, skip, down, up, skip, like that. And then just listen to it when it's fast. It doesn't matter quite as much if you are always skipping and resetting so much as getting the rhythm the right way. So much as getting the rhythm the right way. So got this, we're going to go dun, 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 dun. So yeah, try that a couple times here. And then listen, we're going to do G and D7. Those are the only chords we need for this one. Kind of like that. Okay, ready? We're going to start from the beginning, but this time I'm going to add a 4-measure pickup to the song before we start singing along. And, you know, these are really hard to sing and do at the same time, so I'm going to bring in my special guest singer, like usual. Mr. Bock! Everybody, round of applause for Mr. Bock! Yeah! Woo! Welcome back again. It's so nice to have you. Are you ready to go?
Thank you, yes.
Okay, I think he's ready to go. Okay. Here we go. We're going to start with a 4-measure pickup. Try to play along. This might not work your first time, but, you know, give it a try a couple times and you'll get the hang of it. So, 4-measure pickup, and then
la 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 la.
We're going to play the chorus twice. So, verse once, chorus twice.
Got it.
And I'm going to use the full chord. Actually, here we go.
Whatever you like.
Here's the third. 2, 3.
I thought I heard the big boss say, pay me my money down. Or seeds. Pay me or go to jail. What? Pay me my money down. Pay me my money. Or seeds. Pay me my money down. Pay me or go to jail. Pay me my money down. Pay me, oh pay me. Pay me! Pay me my money down. Pay me or go to jail. That's a bit serious. Pay me my money down. Woo! Yeah!
Yeah! All right. Bravo.
thank you.
Good job, everybody. Good job, me.
Thank
Good
you.
job, Mr. Bach.
Thank you.
Bravo. Good job, you guys at home. I hope you're
at home.
enjoying it. Let me know how it's going. Put some
Good job,
comments in the
guys.
comment section. And that's what
Comment.
I'm going to do for right now. That was pretty slick.
That's pretty good. When did we get to learn this song? Is that pretty good? Ooh, who's that crap? Oh, he's so handsome.
Everybody.
Oh, look at. Oh, yes. Nice try. Oh, I love it. Very good. Yes, very solid. Indeed. Great. Okay, bye.